Good evening, student. Today we will go for exercise 10B, class 8. Exercise 10B. Exercise 10B, class 8. So question number 10. We'll start with question number 10. What did they say? A train moving at a speed of 60 km per hour covers a certain distance in 7.5 hours. So speed is 60 km per hour, covering a distance in 7.5 hours. What should be the speed of the train to cover the same distance in 6 hours? So here there are two terms. One is speed and the other is the time. So here is the speed and here is the time. So in first case speed is 60. Here you can write kilometer per hour. For time it is hour. So it is 7.5 and the other time is 6. You have to find out speed. So what we know, more is the speed, less is the time. So speed more, less time. So this is inverse variation. In case of inverse variation, how will write 60 by x equal to, here you will write 6 by 7.5. So what will be the answer? Here you got 6x equal to 60 into 7.5. To find the value of x, so x it is 60 into 7.5 by 6. So it will be 6 tanja. So it is 750 decimal after this. So it will be 75. So what you can write? Speed equal to 75 kilometer per hour. So copy it. Okay, now we will go for question number 11. In question number 11, what did they say? In question number 11, they have said a garrison of 800 men had provision for 39 days. That means 800 men can take the food for 39 days. However, a reinforcement of 500 men arrived. More 500 persons have joined. For how many days will the food last now? So here there are two objects. One is man and the other is the time. Here it is man, time. Okay. In first case, the number of men was 800. So 800 men, how long they can take the food? For 39 days. Okay. 800 men can take the food for 39 days. Now newly how many joined? 500. So previous it was 800. So 800 plus 500 equal to be 1300. To find out for 1300 people how many days the food will last. I repeat again, more person, less time. Okay. If the number of person is more, the food will last for short time. Okay. More person, less time, less person, more time. So this is also inverse variation. So in the first case there were 800 person, the food lasted for 39 days. Newly more 500 person has joined. So 800 plus 500, 1300. To find out how long the food will last. So this is also inverse variation. So if you go this side, other will be in this direction. 800 by 1300 equal to x by 39. Cross multiply it. 1300x equal to 800 into 39. So x equal to 800 into 39 by 1300. So 0 0 cancel, 13 3 ja, so it is 24. So the food will last for 24 days. Number of days equal to 24. Copy it. Okay. Next you go for question number 12. In question number 12 they have said a B-size town has provision to last for 3 weeks. Its population is 22,400. So this many population is there. The food will last for 3 weeks. How many people must be sent away in order that the provision may last for 7 weeks? So how many person need to send if you want that the food last for 7 weeks? So here it is population and number of weeks. These are the two quantity. First is population and the second is number of week. So in first case population was how much? 22,400. How long the food last? 3 weeks. Now you want that food to last for 7 weeks. So how many people you have to send? So I have said now more is the people, less is the time. Less is the time. More people, less time. So this is also inverse. We will write this and this. Okay. So 22,400 by 3 and now it is 7, sorry, x and now it is 7 by 3. So if you cross multiply it, 7x, x term you keep in left hand side. I have said earlier also 22400. So it is x equal to 3 into 22400 by 7. If you cancel it, 7 3 are 21, 7 2 are 14, 0 0. So it is 0 0, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. So this is the number of people which can take food for 7 weeks. So how many people you are going to send? Number of people that should be sent. Number of people sent you can write. Number of people sent equal to 22400 minus 9600 you do. 2 number of people sent equal 22400 minus 9600. So it is 0 0, 14 minus 6 8 and 21 minus 9, 11 minus 9 is 2, 12800. This many people you have to send it. You have to send this many people. So 12800. Okay. So this is your final answer. I repeat again. The population was 22,400. The food lasts for 3 weeks. Now I want the food to last for 7 weeks. Now I will find out for 7 weeks how many people can take food. These are the people which can take food for 7 weeks. So number of people sent this minus this 12800. Take the screenshot. Okay. Now question number 13. This is the last question of exercise 10B. So question number 13. What did they say? A hostel had rations for 60 days for 500 students. So here is student and number of days. Students and number of days. Number of days. Okay. So 500 students can take food for how many days? 60 days. A hostel had rations for 60 days for 500 students. So 500 students can take food for 60 days. Now I will not write here 60. The reason is after 12 days 300 more students join the hostel. How long will the remaining ration last? So you will calculate after 12 days. So 500 student can take food for how many days? 60 days. Your calculation will be after 12 days. So from 60, if you subtract 12, how many days more they can eat? So 10 minus 2 is 8 and 5 minus 1 is 4. That means 500 student can eat for remaining 48 days. Clear? Okay. Earlier student was 500. You are doing the calculation after 12 days. So already 500 students have taken the food for 12 days. Remaining how many days they can eat? 48 days. So after 12 days, how many more students has joined? 300. So now the present student is 500 plus 300 more newly joined. 500 plus 300, it means it is 800. So if to find out 800 student can take food for how many days? I repeat again. It is given in the question 500 student can take food for 60 days. Okay. After 12 days, more 300 has joined. So I will do my calculation after 12 days. 500 can take for 60 days. If 12 days has already gone, remaining how many days they can take the food? 48 days. But after 12 days, how many student has joined? 300. So 500 plus 300 is 800. I have to find out how long the food will last. So what I will do, this is also inverse. More student, less days. So 500 by 800 equal to x by 48. If I cross multiply it, 800x equal to 500 into 48. So coefficient of x will come in the denominator. So 500 into 48. 0 0 cancel, 8 6 jar. So it is 30. So number of days will be 30. That means more 30 days they can take the food. So this is the end of exercise 10b. We check the answer. If people just copy it. So it is more 30 days. Okay. So I will end here today. So next session we will go for exercise 10c. Okay. So this is the end of exercise 10. Thank you.